Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows drivers, the correct microphone calibration file, and quiet room conditions. Plug in the interface, set sample rate to 48K Hz and 24-bit, and open Room EQ Wizard. Next, set the measurement sweep. Choose signed sweep length and level, then run a quick test sweep to check input levels. Once done, reduce preamp gain to avoid clipping and make sure the mic sits at your listening position. Point it at the speaker. Begin the first full sweep now. Once you have clean sweeps, record a series of measurements: left, right, and a few nearby positions to capture variability. Then import sweeps into the averaging tool and create a composite response. This reduces room peak bias. Now analyze the impulse response, trim the pre and post echo, apply windowing, and convert to minimum phase for correction. After that, pick your target curve, let Room EQ Wizard propose filters, and tweak Q, gain, and frequency to keep phase stability. Export the final filter set for your DSP. You finish by loading the exported filters into your DSP or equalizer, then perform a confirmation sweep to validate changes. Compare before versus after responses. Make sure speaker polarity and sample rates match, and watch for clipping. If low-frequency issues persist, add acoustic treatment and remeasure. Do one change at a time so you know its effect. Finally, if things go wrong, recheck microphone calibration, input gain, and filter format compatibility. Resolving these usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.